Welcome, folks. Today we are discussing mixed methods research, a powerful approach to understanding complex topics. Let's dive in.
I'm eager to learn more. What exactly is mixed methods research, and why is it considered so powerful?
Mixed methods research is a methodology that cleverly combines both quantitative and qualitative data within a single study. Think of it like this. Quantitative data gives you the numbers, the hard facts, while qualitative data provides the rich context, the stories behind those numbers. By bringing them together, you get a much more complete and nuanced understanding than you would with either approach alone. It's powerful because it addresses the limitations of using only one type of data.
I see. So, could you give me an example of how this might work in practice? What kind of research questions would lend themselves well to this approach?
Absolutely. Imagine you're researching the effectiveness of a new teaching method. You could use quantitative methods, like standardized tests, to measure student performance numerically. But, numbers alone don't tell the whole story. So you'd also use qualitative methods, such as interviews with students and teachers, to understand their experiences and perspectives on the new method. This combined approach gives you a much richer understanding of the method's impact, both its measurable effects and the underlying reasons for those effects. Research questions exploring complex social phenomena, program evaluations, or the impact of interventions often benefit greatly from this approach.
That makes perfect sense. But isn't combining these two different types of data incredibly complex? Doesn't it create challenges in terms of analysis and interpretation?
You're right, it can be complex, and there are definitely challenges. The analysis and interpretation require careful planning and execution. Researchers need to think carefully about how they will integrate the data, and there are different approaches to doing this. But the potential rewards, a deeper, more comprehensive understanding, often outweigh the difficulties. It's not about simply adding the two together. It's about using them to illuminate each other.
That's a really insightful point. So, in essence, the power of mixed methods lies in its ability to provide a more holistic and robust understanding of a research problem than either quantitative or qualitative methods alone could achieve.
Precisely. And that's why it's such a valuable tool for researchers tackling complex issues. Thanks for joining us today, folks. We hope you found this discussion informative. Goodbye.